On this Civic, B2840-13 points to the SRS unit connector are not being properly installed. In plain language, the airbag control unit may not be seeing that connector the way it expects to. The vehicle may turn on the SRS warning indicator, and the fault area can be a loose or poorly seated SRS unit connector, terminal damage at the SRS unit, a dashboard harness issue, or an SRS unit software concern before any module replacement decision is made. Before getting into the checks, ask whether the vehicle has been in a collision. If it has, make sure the required SRS components were installed new with the correct part number and were installed properly. Also follow normal SRS precautions, general troubleshooting practice, and the battery disconnect and reconnect procedure. Start by verifying the problem with the HDS. Clear the DTCs, turn the ignition switch to on Roman 2, wait for 10 seconds, then check for codes again. If B2840-13 comes right back, the fault is duplicated and you move into the connector inspection. If B2840-13 does not return, treat it as an intermittent condition, and the system is okay at this time. If a different code is present, diagnose that code instead of forcing this path. Next, turn the ignition switch to lock 0. Check the connection at SRS unit connector A, the 39P connector. You are deciding whether the connector connection itself is okay. If the connector is seated and the connection looks okay, continue to the SRS unit terminal check. If the connection is poor, repair that connector connection before going any farther. After repairing the poor connector connection found in the previous step, clear the DTCs with the HDS. Turn the ignition switch to on Roman 2, wait for 10 seconds, then check for DTCs again. If B2840-13 is no longer indicated, the system is okay at this time. If B2840-13 is still indicated, turn the ignition switch back to lock 0. Then continue to the SRS unit terminal inspection. For the SRS unit check, disconnect the negative cable from the battery, then wait at least 3 minutes before disconnecting SRS unit connector A, the 39P connector. With the connector disconnected, check the SRS unit for bent or damaged terminals. If any terminals are bent or damaged, the repair path is to replace the SRS unit. Before replacing the SRS unit, check the SRS unit software version with the HDS. If the software is not the latest version, update the SRS unit software and retest. If the SRS unit terminals are not bent or damaged, the repair path is to replace the dashboard wire harness. Then clear the DTC. Keep the verification separate from the inspection work. After the repair path is completed, clear the code and confirm B2840-13 stays gone under the same basic key-on check used at the start. The takeaway is simple. Prove the code first. Inspect the SRS unit connector. Retest after any connection repair. Then use the SRS unit terminal condition to choose the final repair path. For more diagnostic training, visit stepdiagnostics.com.